Tuesday, and I'm wearing my Friday panties. They're crocheted with a full bottom and a drawstring. But I'm not here to discuss my lingerie with you people. We're talking NFL draft, and the Bengals are on the clock. Mike Brown has his wish list jotted down on a 3x5 index card. First on that list is tight end Trey McBride from Colorado. Stick and move, or watch till the end for highlights. You've entered the realm of the NFL Mock Draft Show. I'm your host, the host with the most, Roger, Keep It Simple RC. And I'm giving you all the goodies your dentist allows. And then some. We've got Mike Brown. We've got Zac Taylor. They've got Joe Burrow. And there's not much more they need, unless they're looking for a Super Bowl win. Then they need way more. The Bengals lost Larry Ogunjobi. Is it Ogunjobi? Is that his real name? Ogunjobi, the big fatty on defense. And they lost CJ Uzomah, the man-child tight end. So there's an obvious hole in the middle of the defense, and a slightly smaller hole in the tight end room. Well, folks, Zac Taylor knows what it means to be a quarterback and a practice squad player. So he'll take his knowledge to Brown and tell him, Mike, I need a quarterback's best friend. And Mike will look back at him and ask, you mean a running back? Zac will respond, no, the other best friend. And Mike will say, a tackle? And Zac will say, no, the other best friend. And finally, Mike Brown will look lovingly into Zac's eyes and say, you mean a tight end? Don't worry, sweetheart, I've got it covered. And with that, the Cincinnati Bengals will select from Colorado State tight end Trey McBride. Look at these highlights and tell me you aren't pitching a tent. He's number 85.
What's up? Yeah, we do it all day, dog. I bite and you play, dog. I don't like the way that you play, dog. Every night that we packing them in, third of my shows, tracking them in. On stage emotion, we laughing again. Gonna work all day with the pad and the pen. Look up in the sky, see a plane, see a bird. OCD, we go to work. OCD, we go berserk. I mean, a team is super genius. Now we off in outer space. Push them off and out the way. Get that carpet out my face. I said, do that to the break of dawn. Right now, we gotta break them in. Right now, we gotta break them off. Right now, we gotta break them in. Every night that we leave you, don't get mad, don't get that. You text me and I text back. I'm in first place and you dead last. So look up in the sky. Think I seen a plane. Think I seen a plane.
We'll see you tomorrow for the final selection with the Detroit Lions. Can you feel the excitement? It's all over the sofa.